If you're looking to create an aiXplain account, I'll walk you through the process step by step. aiXplain is a powerful AI platform that offers various language and speech processing tools, and setting up an account is quick and easy. First, open aiXplain.com official website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to explore what the platform offers. You'll see sections highlighting AI-driven solutions for speech, text, and translation services. You can also find information about aiXplain's advanced AI models and how they can be used for different applications. The platform is designed to help businesses and individuals leverage AI for automation, analysis, and content generation. If you're interested in AI-powered solutions, this is a great place to explore cutting-edge tools. Before signing up, you might want to check out the pricing or free trial options to see what features are available. To create an account, click on the Sign Up Now button at the top right corner of the website. You'll be redirected to the registration page. You can either choose to continue with Apple or Google account. I will create account with my email. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Your password should have at least 6 characters. Then accept the terms of service. When this window pop up, read Terms of Service and scroll to the bottom to click on I accept the terms. Now enter your name and last name. After filling in your details, click on Register. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email from aiXplain, and enter the verification code in the required field. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the aiXplain homepage, where you can start exploring its features. Some tools may be available for free, while others might require an upgrade to a paid plan. Now that your account is set up, you're ready to start using aiXplain for various AI-powered tasks. Try it out yourself. I'll be making a few more videos about the aiXplain platform, so stay with us and follow along with this interesting topic.